Whenever you search destination on the Google Maps, it will going to give the most shortest path to reach there. Do you know what algorithm will be used? So we use this dijkstra algorithm to get the shortest path from the starting point. I will just show you an example like how the algorithm works. Suppose you want to reach from your home to the Charminar. So at here you have two paths to reach there. To calculate the distance, for each node we assign the highest value as a int max because to calculate the minimum, and for the starting point it will be 0. So it will start from your home. Instead of taking a priority queue, I am assuming queue here. So let's think first it will go to the node 1. It will check which one is the minimum distance like 2 or a int max. So at here the 2 is a minimum and it will get updated. So similarly I have updated for the all other nodes. For the node 4, when you reach by 1, your distance will be 8. Instead of 1, if you reach by 3, you will see the distance is only 6, which is much more better than 8. Now your distance will update it to 6. In order to reach Charminar, it will suggest you this path instead of reaching by 1. So in this way, the Google Maps will calculate the distance and gives you the most shortest path.